सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। हेलो गाइस, I welcome you all to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel, and I'm your friend Vikas Nehra this side. Friends, in today's tutorial I will show you the method of installation and configuration of Ansible in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 or in CentOS 8 based machines. But before that, let me give you the brief idea about Ansible. Actually, Ansible is an open source software provisioning, configuration management and application deployment tool enabling infrastructure as code. It runs on many Unix-like systems and can configure both Unix-like as well as Microsoft Windows. It includes its own declarative language to describe the system configuration. It was written by Michael Dehan and acquired by Red Hat in 2015. Ansible is an agentless temporary connection remotely via SSH or Windows Remote Management. So now I will tell you how can we install it. For the installation and configuration of Ansible, I am going to use this CentOS 8 machine. On this machine, first I will install it and configure it. So without wasting our time, let's get started. To install Ansible in RHEL 8 or in CentOS 8, first we need to install the Python 3 package. But before that, we have to make an entry in the sudoers file for a normal user account who will be using the Ansible. So here let me use vi sudo command, and here I will mention the username with which I will handle this Ansible. So here I will mention Vikas Nehra all is equal to all and save this file. So I have made an entry for this Vikas Nehra user. Now we will switch in the account of this user like this. So it is a normal user account. Now with this user we will install the Python 3 package in our machine. So for that we will require the sudo command, and here we need to provide the password. So this package is already installed in my machine. In most of the systems you will find this package as already installed. Now in the next step we will verify that Python 3 is already installed. So for that we can run python 3-v command like this. So here it will show you the Python version. So it is 3.6.8 right now. Now in the next step we will install python 3-pip package in our machine. So for that we can run sudo dnf install python 3-pip. So you can see that this package is already installed in my machine. Now after verifying both these packages, in the next step we will install Ansible by using pip3 command. So here we can run pip3 install Ansible -user. So it can download the packages from the internet. So while running this command, your machine should be connected to the internet, and after that it will install the required packages in our machine. And this process can take some time to wait. I'm going to pause this video for a while, otherwise the video. So now you can see that it is installing the packages for the Ansible. So here you can see that the installation has successfully completed. Now we will the installation. So here we can run Ansible ---- command, and this command will version of the. It can take few seconds. So here it is showing the version as 2.9.10. Now in the next step we will test the Ansible automation tool. This was the method of installation of Ansible on CentOS 8. On RHEL 8 you have to run this subscription manager command to enable the Ansible repo, and after that you can run dnf or yum command to install the Ansible. Now we will test the Ansible automation tool, but before that we will check the status of our SSH service. So we can run sudo systemctl status sshd, and here it is showing that the service is up and running fine, so we can proceed further. Now in the next step we will create a directory inside etc with the name as Ansible. So I have successfully created a directory with the name as Ansible inside /etc. Now we will go inside this by using the cd command, and there we will create a file with vi editor, and the name of the file should be hosts. Here in this hosts file, just make an entry for your host's machine here like this. So here you need to mention the correct IP address of your host machine. In my case, the IP address of my host machine is 192.168.1.109. After that, save this file. Now we need to generate the SSH keys for our Ansible configuration, and for that we can run ssh-keygen command. So this command will generate the SSH keys like this. Now in the next step we will copy the generated SSH key to the remote node using the ssh-copy-id command. Make sure that you have the same username on both the machines. Now you have to provide the password and press enter. So here you can see that the keys have been successfully copied to the remote node. Now in the next step we will use Ansible to ping the remote node, and for that we can run Ansible-i command like this. Let me show you. Ansible-i/etc/ansible/hosts, because this is the file which contains the details of the host machines, web-m and ping. Press enter. So this command will show you the output like this. If you get this output, that means you have correctly installed and configured the Ansible in your server. If you do not get this output, it means you have made any mistake and you need to recheck these steps. So guys, I hope that from this today's video you would have understood the method of installation and configuration of Ansible in CentOS 8 or in RHEL 8 based machines. If you like the video, then do share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you like my hard work, then please give a like to this video. For such more videos, please subscribe our channel and turn on the bell notification. I will keep providing you more videos based on RHEL 8 or on CentOS 8. I will see you in any other session. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care.